So today we are putting up insulation in the garage. I have one piece left over here. It's a pretty good size slot. I got a couple little spare boards that we're gonna try to fit one in there because I'm pretty sure what I ripped off of this board right here that you can't really see. You can see the tail end of it. Whatever I ripped off that board, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same width for whatever I took off. So I'm gonna see if I can't fit that piece in there to minimize cutting out boards that are full face boards. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can't fit that piece in there, get that cut down. I'm gonna do just basically a little video today, I think. It won't be very long. Just gonna be hanging insulation. Yeah, pretty much simple stuff, but if you wanna heat your garage stuff, obviously the best way to heat it is to make sure you have a fully closed off ceiling first and then start working on the walls and stuff, because all your heat stuff's going to escape through the ceiling. So when you're doing insulation or whatever, if you plan on doing insulation, or if your garage gets cold in the winter, you plan on heating it. Like Michigan winters are rough sometimes they're not, but at least it's going to get down to 30 some degrees. Sometimes it gets negative 30 some or whatever, depending on the days, but obviously them days won't be out here probably ever. But when it is 30s and stuff like that, 20s, I can put my little torpedo heater out here, get it all nice and warm, and I won't have to worry about the heat dissipating quickly. It will stay nice and toasty in here for a little while anyway. I need to get some sort of different type of heater. But I'm going to shut up and get this piece cut because it's easier. Yep, I was in the middle of getting ready to climb up the ladder, cut that piece, and homemade quesadilla got delivered. Along with my drink of choice, Coca-Cola. I will say today is a beautiful day. Sun's out, probably 60 degrees, maybe 65, somewhere in there. Not too hot, not too cold, a little bit of a breeze going. Today's my grandpa's birthday. This video will get released obviously after, but it's his 70th birthday today. I'll just call and wish him a happy birthday. But yeah, it's kind of putting a delay on my insulation hanging. Well, as you can see, got the last piece hung up. You can see right there, there's a, right there, there is a lap right there. So I gotta go up there with a razor blade, trim off a little bit because I got the board just a little too snug, so I gotta trim just a little bit off, and that'll seat up in there really nice. And for the most part, this side of the shop will be done for the roof, other than, like I said, up in the storage area, which I'm gonna jump up there here in a minute. Knock that out. So yeah, it'll be nice and insulated here in a little bit. Pretty stoked. I gotta change out the light bulbs too before I get too far. But all my light bulbs are up there in the attic area, so I might do that after. Because fortunately enough, I don't have to use scaffolding over there, so That'll be nice. Don't have to worry about falling all the time. But I'm gonna trim that piece real quick and get back to it. Should be good. Well, as you can see, all the insulation right here is done. That piece is up. Lights are all fixed. Or bulbs are all working. And I got up over in my storage area as well. She's all done in there too. Well, that's gonna wrap up our video for today, guys. So if you would like, share, subscribe, comment. Try to get you some information on what we did here, what the R value is of this insulation, why we went this route, whatever. But if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Peace out. See y'all later.
What are you doing?
Trying to get it bent back this way. Fuck you. Look, it's in there.